This video is sponsored by Pouch. Hello, welcome back to the Defender series. We're gonna get stuck straight in today. I've got a few little bits I wanna tidy up, like little bits and bobs on the front, but the main topic of this video is this, which is an exhaust. This is a cat delete. I don't know why I bought this. I was kind of just like watching YouTube videos. I heard a TD5 with like a cat delete, and I thought, oh, that sounded pretty cool. And then next thing I was on eBay buying an exhaust. So we're gonna fit that today. I'm gonna crack on. I got a few little bits and bobs to do, and then we will get the Defender up in the air and we'll have a look at the exhaust. So I completely forgot about this until I just pulled it inside and I got a proper look at it. But all the stuff behind this grill is pretty scabby. So look at all that scabbiness there. We're gonna clean these back, give them a lick of paint. Also, I do wanna start thinking about a winch. So if anyone has any winch recommendations, whack them in the comments down below, I'll have a look. Because I do want to put a winch back on. This is probably the most half-assed mask job. All right, I'm gonna hit it with a bit of primer first. Give it a bit of a heat gun because I'm impatient. Much better. It's a bit of a shame we don't have a nice shiny new intercooler and rad, but we'll save that for another day maybe. That looks way better. It's all about the little things. Right, that's job one done. Let's do job two. Oh, I'm pretty stoked on these. Oh yeah, look at that. Genuine article. There's so much wax oil and grime under here. This is actually gross. There's like a slot here, so I'm gonna have to drill up and nut and bolt it there. That's it, I might try and straighten it up a little bit, but whew, that's done. Let's do the front. All right, so we've got mud flap. This side's done. Let's just quickly blast the other side. They're definitely on a piss a little bit, but we can straighten them up. That's sick. I'm stoked on that. Very, very nice. The whole of the underside of that Defender is like covered in wax oil. And I've never been so dirty working on cars in my life. All I did was fit in mud flaps. All right, I'm gonna clean myself up a little bit and then we're gonna sort the exhaust. But first, I have a quick shout out for today's sponsor for this video, which is Pouch. Pouch is a free desktop browser extension that automatically searches the websites you're on, finds some discount codes and applies them. You don't have to do anything. It's free, so no brainer, and it saves you money. Over the past couple of videos, I've shown you it working with car websites, but I thought I'd change it up a bit. I'll show you how it works on like a clothes website or shoe website or something. So here, for example, we're on the Adidas website looking at shoes. If you select your product, add it to your cart, Pouch will pop up in the corner. It automatically searches the website for discount codes and apply the best one. So here it's just saved me like nearly 16 quid. So yeah, just thought I'd show you an example of it working outside of the car world. Pouch actually works on over 3,000 websites, including ASOS, H&M, and Adidas like you just saw there. It's super easy to install and it's free. All you gotta do is 2 clicks, literally, and then pin it to your browser and you're all good to go. So if you wanna get Pouch, there is a link in my description down there. All you gotta do is click on that or go to joinpouch.com/i/bocker, get it for free, takes 2 seconds to install, and you'll save loads of money. Thanks Pouch for sponsoring this video. Let's crack on. I actually put this on Instagram and I asked people what exhausts are good for the TD5s, and this is what the majority of people came up with, which is just a cat delete. And for some reason, these TD5s will still pass MOT without a cat. Apparently, we'll find out. But I'm gonna fit it because it sounds cool. All right, one pipe. Got some gaskets there. Get out. I'm just gonna ADHD a sec. Dan just rang me and he said, do I fancy a quick shred on mountain bikes? We've got an hour of daylight left, so we're gonna go ride. I'm gonna take you with me. This will be fun. Come on, we'll go. I don't actually remember the last time I rode a mountain bike. Look at that. This is my mountain bike. It is a white G170. I'm gonna pump my tires up. Sick. Do you wanna come with me or shall I come with you?
I don't mind jumping this if you want.
Yeah? My tires were literally flat.
Yeah.
That was the last time I rode. That's bad.
Right.
Forest Dean then.
Let's go.
I always find it funny how big the armrest is in this thing.
Yeah, I know.
I feel like 8 arms on this. Oh, this is the worst part for me. It's like the first climb straight out of the car.
Yeah, you feel like you're fucked already.
Yeah.
You just need to get into it.
Oh yeah, nose case. Big puddle, Steve. Not today. Oh my God, it's pitch black. No way you're outrunning a panther on a mountain bike either. Nah. You have to batter it, I reckon. What's this? Set of doubles then?
Yeah, these top ones are just like tabletop type things.
Yeah. Oh, it's dark. Oh my God, it's so dark. Oh my God.
The corners are so sketchy, aren't they?
Yeah. That was almost too dark, wasn't it?
Horrible. Right, nice one, boys.
Yeah, sound. Catch you later, Steve. Ta-da. All right, we're back. That got pretty dark last night, so I'm sorry if the footage isn't that great, but we will film some more mountain bike at some point. But for now, I really want to get this exhaust on. I'm just gonna get a clip real quick of a cold start, and we'll see what the exhaust sounds like, and then we can do like a comparison. I'll start it. Let's see what it sounds like. It doesn't sound bad, it actually sounds pretty good. You can hear like the turbo whistle a little bit, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna fit this and it's gonna sound even better. I've just had a look and there should be a silencer in this section here. I think. You see the welds? That's why my exhaust already sounds pretty good, but there's the cat. So this is from the downpipe, and it's got a cat, whereas mine, this is the downpipe, has no cat. So we should get a good amount of noise from that. And better fuel economy, more power, hopefully, that's the theory. So we've got the downpipe, then we got a silencer delete midsection, which I already have, but we'll get it on anyway. And then we have the back box, which is just a little, now we've got the really fun job of taking this off. And it looks like it could. Oh yeah, those are supposed to be bolts. I'm cutting them off. They are definitely not coming undone. Hey. Get out. First piece done. That is a horrible sound. Mid pipe, done. Now we've got the down pipe, which might suck. Oh my God. Yeah, that kicked my ass. There is Absolutely no way I'm dropping that. Right, this huge piece of metal here is the front cross member. You can't get the downpipe out without taking this off. And it's just kicked my ass for about an hour. And I finally got it a bit loose. I'm scared this is all drop. There it goes. Bitch, that big thing is the catalytic converter. This one doesn't have one. Still got flexi in it. Looks all the same. So, let's get it up. Oh, damn it. Good catch. All right, it is time to hook up the downpipe. We've got a flange. I'm gonna bolt it on, and then the downpipe can actually get completely done. Next, mid-pipe. Like I said, there normally is a silencer in these, I think, and mine didn't have one. New one doesn't have one, no different. Pretty much exactly the same. All right, last piece. Washer, bolt, gasket. This is a very ghetto assortment of bolts, but it'll work. I'm gonna give all the pipes a little wipe down, get some of that wax oil off them, just so it doesn't smoke too bad. And then we'll start it. We'll see what it sounds like. I'm excited. Just before I start this, we got the giveaway to do. This is the winner of last week's video. You win the air freshener pack. This week, we currently have a sale on. We've just done a sale, 3 days only, 20% off all windbreakers. So I'm gonna give a windbreaker away. We got this one. This is our 3M reflective one. This is our latest one. It goes like proper white. Then you turn it off, and it's great. So we've got these. These are super good for winter. We've got BQR embroidered there. We've got waterproof zips. And then we got my favorite one, which is the orange and black. And then we've just got plain black if you're not into colors or anything fancy. So you can win whichever color you want. All you gotta do is drop a comment down below. I actually really enjoyed reading through your favorite pasta dishes. So comment your favorite breakfast. Yeah, favorite breakfast, or drop me a comment, something Defender related. I don't mind. Either way, I'll pick the winner. You'll win a windbreaker. Also, like I said, if you do want to buy one of these, they're 20% off for the next 3 days. You also still get a free pair of socks because it's still over 50 quid. Right, that's enough of that. Let's go see what this sounds like. That is a very aggressive turbo whistle. We need to go on a road test. We need to go see what this sounds like under a bit of load. So from what I can tell, it's not actually like much louder, but you can hear the turbo loads more, which is sick. The problem with this is there's no sound deadening up front, so I can just hear engine. I can't really hear the exhaust. Like the TD5 is so loud, because like the engine is literally there. It's so weird to me, like the concept of diesels actually sounding good. I'm used to those like 2 litre TDI Passats that just like DPF delete and get a map and it just sounds like a whale spunking. little public byway like up near the unit. So I'm just gonna go down here. I love this thing. It's so sick. It just looks so good. All right, I'm actually very stoked with that exhaust. It's not too loud, it's just a bit more grunt, which I think it kind of needed because look at it, it needs grunt. Don't forget there's currently a sale on our Don't forget there's currently a sale on our windbreakers. They are 20% off if you want to grab one of them, or if you want to win one, just drop a comment down below. Shout out to Pouch for sponsoring this video. If you want to get it free, there's a link down here. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.